So how do you diagnose that your husband is in good mood or not good mood? Huh? You also diagnose. This is something that we all do, isn't it? What kind of stuff you want to eat? Huh? You diagnose your body and tell, or do that. You are diagnosing everything. Or diagnosis. When we say diagnosis, what does it mean? It also means a state. What is called as health is a state, isn't it? What is called as health is a state. The problem is we are just looking at biochemical exchange and studying it. The whole medical science is just studying material aspect of this change. But when you say happy, it is happiness, it is not a material aspect. So the reason behind the material exchange or biochemical reactions is the fundamental to what is happening in your body. So when we say AMH level, what does it mean? You are looking at a certain hormone level. Now, will that hormone level change or has it changed? Yes, it has changed. But when there is a medical diagnosis, we always tend to stick with one diagnosis. But 1 hour later, your numbers change. Every hour, your numbers change. Every minute, your numbers change. You are different in the morning, different in the evening. Even if you do a diagnosis in the evening, it will be different, and in the morning, it will be different. So, looking at a biochemical change or a reaction as a parameter to some kind of health or fertility, it will not lead to the right conclusion most of the time. It will not lead to right conclusion most of the time. Sometime it might lead to some inferences which may be right, but most of the time will miss out on the real problem. And that is what it is happening. Usually, when you are said, okay, endometriosis, and that is why you are not able to conceive. But we have people with endometriosis, they conceive. Okay, you have T3, T4, TSH level difficult. The parameter is not good, so you'll not be able to conceive. But we have people who conceive with that. Okay, AMH count is this. Will it not increase? No, the doctor will say it doesn't increase, but it increases. There are case studies where it increases. Even with Ayurvedic medicine, it increases. So, what is the diagnosis? We are going behind the biochemical change which happens in a body. So, what is that behind factor? These are forces in your body. That is what I explained when I said I explained just one force. There are 84 factors. There are 84 factors which helps or which is a precursor to any biochemical change in the body. So you can't strengthen your system or you can't enhance those forces by taking in some pill. There is no solution. That is why every time there is a problem and you are not able to conceive, what is the doctor saying? What will the doctor say? IVF carology, IUI carology, because they don't have any methodology to improve your liver function, your gonad function, the function of the uterus, the function of your or the hormonal balance, hormonal strength. So the whole medical science is just looking at biochemical change within the body, and they don't have a methodology to increase the strength of functioning within the body, which is making those biochemical changes. We are diagnosing that by ask we ask you certain questions. You look at your husband's face and say, oh, आज तो मूड बंदे का ठीक नहीं है ना? What did you look at? क्या diagnose किया आपने? So the way you walk, the way your face is at that point of time, the way you speak, it shows what state you are in. So the way you breathe also shows what state you are in fundamentally. So we ask you to do a little experiment with your breath. And then what else? We ask you to see how you feel with what, with whom. How do you feel? Who is closer to you, your mother or your father? How fast you are able to sleep? Do you love children, or just it is a compulsion for you to go for a conception? So we ask certain questions which actually tells us everything about your state. So, and that is how we get to a conclusion, which forces are working in which way. What force has become weak? What factor has become weak? And then we customize your whole module according to your weakness. We change it, customize it according to you. आपको भी भोजन में थोड़ा मिर्च किसी को ज्यादा है तो हरी मिर्च लेते हैं ना अलग से खाने के लिए, नमक थोड़ा ज्यादा लेते हैं, कोई कम ले. You also customize every moment. You customize what kind of clothes you wear, even your thought process. किससे आपको खुशी होती है वो भी customize करते हैं ना. You are doing customization according to your system, but we are doing it according to your system in terms of some kind of weakness which has happened and why you are not able to conceive. So when you say conception is just a factor of one aspect of your life, no, it is not. कई लोगों का तो अनडायग्नोस्ड इनफर्टिलिटी होती है ना, सब टेस्ट कर लिया, सब सही है, एवरीथिंग इज राइट. सो वॉट एवर द डायग्नोसिस, वो भी सही नहीं है, जरूरी नहीं है. कीप योर माइंड्स ओपन. अगर कहा ना इसकी वजह से नहीं कंसीव कर पा रही, यू आर नॉट एबल टू कंसीव बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, कीप योर माइंड्स ओपन. इट मे नॉट बी ट्रू. पीपल आर कंसीविंग इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट. उसके बावजूद भी कंसीव कर रहे हैं, तो यानी वो रीजन तो नहीं है. So actually we do not know what is fertility. I am saying in terms of how medical science looks at it. एलोपैथी जिस तरीके से देखता है, एलोपैथी को दरअसल फर्टिलिटी मालूम नहीं है कि ये क्या है. दिस इज नॉट बोस्टिंग और एरोगेंस. ये एरोगेंस नहीं है. जब तक हम सच्चाई को नहीं देखेंगे तब तक सोल्यूशन नहीं मिलेगा. तो ये हमको मालूम विथ और एंड दिस इज लाइक अ प्रूफ. दे से वी नो 1% ऑफ हाउ दिस बॉडी फंक्शन with all those kind of advancement. ये एलोपैथी ही बता रहा है कि हमें 1% मालूम है जी, which is not even a passing mark. So डायग्नोसिस एक बृहद तरीका है, ये बिल्कुल अलग, आउट ऑफ द लीग, आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. दैट इज व्हाई आई सेइंग वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ डायग्नोसिस इन द वर्ल्ड. और इससे हमें काफी सहायता मिलती है आपके सिस्टम को जानने की और कस्टमाइज करने की कुंभक के मॉड्यूल को.